Hello everyone, Dan May with the American Green Zone Alliance. We are here at Pasadena City College, and I am here with Chad Bishop of Kress Tools. Chad, how are you?
Good. Thanks, Dan, for having me.
Absolutely.
Really appreciate it.
Absolutely. Well, it's a milestone. Kress Tools are officially an AGZA Green Zone asset, if you will, helping this institution meet the Green Zone certification standard with your tools and other manufacturers. Chad, we just wanted to understand, how this experience was for you today, looking at it through the lens of seeing all the dignitaries speak and the initiative, the certification itself. What does that mean for you guys at Kress?
Well, first, we want to thank you for your partnership. We really enjoyed this. We're in year 2. It's been really good partnering with AGZA. Experiencing today what we saw here was just very impactful. Really going to, the green movement, really embracing it. We talked about it as a team, the initiatives piece of it, as well also as a health standpoint. This is really hard on the joints, is also on your hearing, and battery is better for the end user as well. So we really want to thank you for it. We really like where Kress is going. We're in year 2 right now. We're really expanding on offering. It's really about our battery solution. We talked about it as like the no downtime, workflow optimization. That's what we really strive for in this program. Really getting the end user on board to really understand that we're not forcing them year over year to buy more and more batteries. It's all about, what's best for them and best for their end user as well.
Well, we really appreciate the kind words, and we appreciate the credible and substantial amount of resources that your company has placed into creating a tool line that can be used in commercial settings. Thank you so much, Chad.
Oh, thank you. We really appreciate it. Thank you for everything.